Third unit, the first method problem is northwest corner method. The problem is find the initial basic feasible solution for the following transportation problem. Northwest corner method. Factory F1, F2, F3, F4. A, B, C are the destinations. 10, 8, 8, 10, 7, 10. These are all are the individual cost values. Then next availability 8, 7, 9, 4. The requirements are 10, 10, 8. Now we are solve the problem. Number of origins. So we call it as these are the origins. These are 4, F1, F2, F3 and F4. Number of destinations. These are 3, A, B, C. Next total requirement is equals to 10 plus 10 plus 8 is equals to 28. Next total availability (8 plus 7 plus 9 plus 4 is equals to 28. Therefore, total requirement is equals to total availability. Therefore, given problem is a balanced transportation problem. So here given problem is balanced transportation problem. If the given problem is unbalanced transportation, then we are applying dummy row or dummy column. But in this case, we no need to the dummy row or dummy column. So simply we are applying the northwest corner method. The allocations are obtained. We are writing table again here. F2, F3, F4. Ten, 11, 12. 8, 7, 9, 14. 8, 10, 7, 10. A, B, C, 10, 10, 8, 8, 7, 9, 4. Okay, this is our table. Okay, this is our given table. So now we are allocating from the first row, first column. It means this is the first row and first column. We are starting from the allocation here. In these two, which one is the least value? We have to allocate here, that is 8. We have to allocate the 8 here. So 8, it means remaining 2 we have to write there. So once the total value is completed, it means the entire row will be freezed. It means we don't allocate these here. We don't allocate here. So it means allocation is now starting from these two here. In these two, which one is the least value? It means that is 2. We have allocate here. So remaining 5 we have to write there. So again this entire column will be freezed. Then allocation starting from this here. Least value is 5. We are 5 allocation here. Remaining 5 we have to write there. And then it will be freezed. Next here we have to allocate 5 because in this two 5 is least. remaining 4 we have to write there. This column will be freezed. Then next in this 2 4 is least, 4 we have to, remaining 4 we have to write there. Next we have to allocate 4 here. So here these values are called as cost values. These values are called as allocation values. Okay. Next, therefore cost value is equals to C11 is equals to 10, C21 is equals to 10, C22 is equals to 7, C32 is equals to 9, C33 is equals to 7. Here C33 is equals to 7. Next C40 is equals to 10. Okay. So we have write the allocation cells only. Next, allocation values. X11 is equals to 8, X21 is equals to 2. Next X22 is equals to 5, X32 is equals to 5, X33 is equals to 4, X43 is equals to 4. Okay. Therefore minimized total transportation cost is equals to sigma of sigma Cij into Xij, that is equals to C11 X11 plus C21 X21 plus C22 X22 plus C32 X32 plus 333 X33 plus 343 X43 is equals to 10 into 8 plus 10 into 2 plus 7 into 5 plus 9 into 5 plus 7 into 4 plus 10 into 4, that is equals to 280 units. Next, this is our homework problem. Okay. This is our solvation problem.